Hi.
Hello, I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
And we are Sisters in Stitches, sisters in real life.
And today we have a blessbox, but not Cindy's normal subscription, monthly subscription. This is what they call their mystery box.
Right, the normal box, the monthly box that I get, we've done 3 boxes and we love them. I'll put the little link up here for you to watch them. They're great. We are not canceling. It's well worth the $30. But I saw on their website that they have a mystery box for $19.99, and it's not a subscription. You just, when you want a mystery box, you just order it. So I just wanted to try it one time to see if it's worth the $20. And so this is what we have. This was their, I think, end of March, beginning of April box. I'm not sure, but there's a lot of stuff in here. And it's probably more samples. I don't know. So we'll see. Let's go. Open it up.
So,
ooh, from the box. It's loaded with stuff
the
for
box
20
comes
bucks.
packed with
Yeah.
stuff. So the first thing are our favorite.
Wow.
The thing we can never get on right, but it's fun to have in your drawer
And
when you want to wear
actually,
them.
these are Boss Babe All Day Faux Mink Lashes, and they are $15.
Yeah, if you could get them on. We can't. We tried. We just are
So
eyelash impaired.
I would love for someone to give us a quick tip on how to do it. I know it just takes practice, but this girl doesn't have time.
I'm so jealous when I walk into the store and you see someone with fake lashes on that look perfect. You're like, how do you get those on?
Then they go, oh, you just do this.
Yeah,
like,
you do this and do this.
shut
I'm
up.
like, okay, first of all, you don't wear glasses. And so when you're trying to put something on your eyes and you're like, go, just doesn't work. All right, so the next thing in the box is, this is up to 12 uses. It is Yes to Coconut Ultra Hydrating for Dry Skin. It looks like it's some kind of lotion.
It's coconut froth mousse mask, energizing coffee latte with coconut milk.
I don't want to open it since we're not using it.
Oh my God, it's $15.99. How many uses do you get out
Up
of it?
to 12 uses.
Why coffee?
I don't
Energizing
know.
coffee latte.
I don't know. Maybe caffeine makes
It's a blend of coffee and coconut milk. Isn't that weird?
Yeah. I don't know.
I wonder if it does that, like the caffeine in the coffee does something to your skin.
I don't know. What does it say?
I don't know. Well, we'll just have to try it. I guess we can only use it in the
Coffee
morning.
helps skin appear tighter, giving your skin the buzz it deserves. So it tightens your skin.
Oh, I guess it would be a nighttime mask then. All right. Cool.
All right. So this is called Dermaderm.
Dermala. Patch me if you can. Targeted pimple patches.
Oh, nice.
I don't have pimples. But
Well, when you do get that occasional one that you
Yeah,
get, it's
yeah.
nice to put this on and have it gone by morning.
I thought I would never get out of that stage. I was probably in my 40s when I quit getting like little pimples here and there all the time.
This is a lip wand.
Are you sure?
It says lip wand.
It is by Mana Kadar. Lip Lock Priming Lip... Oh, it's a primer. It's in something rosy, and it's $24. Deb, dear,
Huh?
did you take the cap off, or are you just like spreading the plastic? Oh, okay.
I'm not an idiot.
I didn't say that you were. But you did have me putting lipstick on my cheek in the last video. That's a nice color. Now, with her big lips, it looks great.
Why do you lick your lips before you put on lipstick?
Because I'm taking off what's already
Oh.
on there. Okay.
Watch,
Now-
she'll get it all over like the sides of her mouth because she doesn't know where her lips are.
I know where my lips are.
Well, apparently not. That looks good on you.
I have no upper lip.
Well, that's beside the point.
No upper lip with this color on. None.
Oh, another pair of the, she had 2 pair of the
Oh.
wispies, so I should pull out both
Oh.
pairs. Okay, and
We
now
can practice together.
your next things are Scents body lotion and Scents shower gel.
It's by William Rome. They're $5.
What do they smell like, though?
That's the key. It's clean. This is the shower gel. It's clean.
Not a whole lot of scent to it, though. Smell.
that on purpose.
No, I didn't. Not a whole lot of
This has
scent.
more. It just smells
Yeah,
clean.
it just smells clean. So I
Yeah.
mean, that's all right.
That's okay.
Then Rodeo Vitamin C Brightening Mask. Wow, a lot of masks.
I do put vitamin C serum on my skin in the morning, actually, because it does supposedly.
What does that
brightens
retail
your-
for? $55.
Probably the full size. I
Are
would
these not the
imagine.
full sizes?
No, I don't think so. I think this is the mystery box.
I don't think so, because this is the full size.
Wow. There's
These
no
are.
way this is $55.
Well, you don't know what's in it though.
Oh well.
Some of these serums are really expensive.
No, that's true. That's true. So,
So you don't even know what's in there. It might be worth $55. All right, the next thing are pearl hairpins.
Ah,
Oh, these are cute.
yeah, they retail for $18.99.
All right, here we go. There we go. Hello.
Hey,
All right, I'll
you
leave
just
it
have
in.
to do the rest of the video like this and talk like
We look like
this.
Laura Petrie from the Dick Van Dyke Show.
For those of you that know that show.
Most of our listeners know that show.
Yes. Okay, and
The
then
last thing is Hippies organic chickpea puffs, vegan white cheddar. Save those for your lunch tomorrow.
Ooh.
This whole bag is 200 calories. That's not bad for a Cheeto.
Yeah.
Throw that in your lunch tomorrow with
Hey,
a,
this was a fun box for 20 bucks. I don't know
Yeah.
that I'll do it all the time, but
yeah, I mean, I don't.
if this is truly $55, which I don't think so.
I do.
I don't know.
Everything else is the same size with the price.
All right, maybe.
I mean, this pimple patch thing is $15. These little bottles were $5. It's hard to believe these are $5, but this pencil was $24. This chickpea is $1.50.
And these
And those
were 15.
eyelashes are $15 each.
All right, well, you know what? I probably every once in a while I'll just throw in one of these little mystery boxes. And we got these cute little barrettes, actually.
Yeah, and
I
so
like
these are
them.
fun for your hair.
Uh-huh.
So that was a fun box. I mean, I like this company.
I
think
do. I like
they do
blessbox
give you
a
nice,
lot.
nice products,
Yeah.
and
You know what this box would be good for? If you wanted just to send somebody a box to bless them. You know, it's always fun to
yeah.
get stuff in the mail.
Just because.
So, you know, you just want to brighten someone's day, just give them a box. It's 20 bucks. Send them a box. It's a one-time thing. It's not a subscription. That's a great idea.
That's a great idea.
Yeah. You know what? Even if we do a small giveaway, we can like send them a bless box.
Yeah.
That's a great idea. I'm glad I thought of it.
All right. Well, we are done with our videos for tonight. So we'll be coming at you probably. Do we have anything next week?
Yeah, of course we do.
Okay. Well, we'll have a few videos put up before we go on our trip to Ireland and Scotland in May. And then we'll be coming at you from there. We're going to videotape ourselves in different places there and show you some things that we're seeing and kind of just do a little travel vlog with you. So if we made you smile, if you liked what you saw, if you liked our content, if you liked watching our video, hit the subscription button. We'd love to have you come along for the ride. If you didn't like our video, give us a comment why. We would be interested in that too. And then thanks for tuning in anyway.
And if any of you we don't get many thumbs down, and I did ask other people, and most of our subscribers don't really give out thumbs down, but if you are going to give us a thumb down, just, you know.
Tell us why.
Yeah, be
We'd
man
be
enough
interested
and say,
to know.
I didn't like the
Was
way
it
you wore
because you
your
didn't like the
barrettes.
product? Is it because you didn't like us? Or, you know, was there something about the video that you turned you off? We would like to know. We would like to see those posted just as well as the nice comments that come through, which we don't get many thumbs down and we don't get many negative comments at all. So,
But give this one a thumbs up.
anyway, we will see you soon. Thank you for tuning in.